Hi, it's Anthony from OcuPlay.com, and today we will be looking at a black silicone kit for the Oculus Quest 2 from Jayol. So keep watching for my review. So I was first surprised to see Oculus release the Quest 2 in its off-white colour. Black is the common colour for VR headsets. The original Quest came in black, along with the Rift and many other PC VR headsets also coming in black too. If you're not a fan of the bright white Quest 2 though, I have a silicone cover kit from Jayol that will quickly turn your Quest 2 headset and its touch controllers into black ones, or any number of other colours that they also support, from blue, light grey, and there's also red. In the kit you get the silicone cover that attaches to the front and sides of your Quest 2 headset. There are also a pair of fully protective silicone covers for the touch controllers. These also protect the sensoring as well as the grips themselves. There's also a silicone cover that protects the stock foam interface, and there's an additional lens cap cover to help protect the lenses on your Quest from scratches whilst it is not being used. So first, let's have a look at the silicone cover for the headset. It's pretty easy to apply onto the actual headset itself, unlike many other silicone covers that are reviewed on this channel. This is because the cover attaches around the sides of the Quest 2, which helps keep it attached to your Quest. There's also a slight lip on the edges of the cover to help it slip in forward and covering the sensors and portholes as well. But once you touch your Quest 2 a few times to take it on and off, you'll very likely start to see this cover slip forward and cover these sensors. There are some cutouts for the heat transfer at the top and bottom, but probably not enough as there should be. And the buttons on the side and the bottom work well, but once the cover starts to begin to slide forward, they start to be out of alignment of the buttons themselves, as well as the port hole covers as well. The touch controller covers mirror the same issues as the headset cover. The silicone used is just not rigid enough to feel firm or solid enough on the controller. The ring protector fits quite well, but if you brush the ring against the surface, you might find that this cover slips forward or backwards over the sensors, and this might generally affect your gameplay. The grip has a texture to help with airflow around any sweaty palms. And there's also some cutouts for the wrist strap at the bottom, the trigger button, and also the grip button. There are no knuckle strap attachments to this particular grip, unfortunately, which is also a little bit disappointing and quite a missed opportunity there, as there aren't that many grip covers with full protective rings and a knuckle strap also attached. Finally, there is the silicone cover for the facial interface. This isn't the best silicone cover I've had the opportunity to review, but it's not that bad either. It molds around the stock foam interface well, and the silicone is a little bit firmer than the grips and the headset covers in the set, so it holds its shape pretty well. There's a rough light texture on the actual cover itself, which might help with grip on your face, and being silicone, it can be easily wiped down with a damp cloth should it get sweaty. It has a built-in nose flap to prevent any light leakage around the nose area, but most silicone covers provide this, so this is pretty much nothing new here. Oddly enough, I found that the bundled lens cover is probably the better accessory out of this whole kit. It fits really well, and I like these separate cases for each lens piece. These go around the Quest 2 lenses really well, and I prefer these over the wide foam covers that you get bundled with other accessories. This silicone set retails for $29.99 from Amazon. You can check out the links in the description below. Overall, this is a quick way to turn your Quest into any colour that this silicone set can come in, from black, blue, red and light grey. There's also a white version if you just want to protect the Quest and not colour it in any way. The silicone they have used smells like it's oil-based and not medical grade, like the silicone from VR cover. So it smells quite a bit when you first put it on, but over time this will go, but it's not a great smell when you first have this plastic attached to all of your Quest. My main gripe with silicone is that it's not only loose in places, it's also a potential dust and dirt magnet. It doesn't take long to show up dust, hair or crumbs, even in the most cleanest of rooms, so bear that in mind if you're considering on picking one of these up. Personally, I would go with a more hard shell protector for the headset itself. Some grips I have covered in this channel with included knuckle straps and a facial interface kit with foam pads over a silicone cover. Alright, thanks for watching and I hope you found this video helpful. If it has, please leave us a like and let me know in the comments down below if you have any questions about this black silicone set from Jayol. You can check all my other headset accessory reviews in this playlist here. Hit that subscribe button down below to catch all my future content and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers. Bye.